Every company should prepare for attacks, should prevent the attacks, should remove the attacks when they happen, and should learn different a lesson, based on how they reacted or not. So in this section, we'll address all this, and I call this security attacks, and this counts for 18% of the exam. I will start with threat modeling. I will continue with risk assessment. Then the incident response, very important. When something happens, you have to act quickly, what to do, and how to recover. And finally, after everything, you need to have a post-mortem forensic analysis to learn the new lessons eventually to prevent the recurrence of the same attack.